What up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to HVAC Made Easy. Today I will be showing you how to replace the service valve or core valve on a carrier unit. Alright, so right here you got the service valve. You're gonna need 2 wrenches. Alright, so this is my 5/8 wrench and a 1/2 inch. So the 1/2 inch is gonna do the upper nut. This 5/8 is just to hold the base so it doesn't screw from down there. There you go. So as you can see here, the O-ring that should be around here is all damaged and it wasn't able to seal the gas off, so it was leaking a lot through here. So right here we got our OEM replacement from Carrier. You can see the part number right there. This is what the new one would look like. It has a little O-ring at the end. So I'm gonna use this thread sealer, which is the nylon glue. Just put some around the thread, just so it gets a nice solid connection. Put a little bit on the thread. So this is compatible with all refrigerant and it won't contaminate you. After we seal it, we're just gonna screw it in. Careful not to cross thread. Then we're gonna use our 1/2 inch. Just snug, not too much to break it. Now we're gonna add some nitrogen to the system. Use bubble to make sure it's not leaking. So I'm gonna put a cap just so I don't get any of the bubble inside. I'm gonna use my bubble test and go around it. Alright, so I added the bubble and we're sealed, there's no leak. So there you have it, guys. All you need is a 1/2 inch and a 5/8 wrench, and you could easily remove these valves and change them out. Thank you, see you again on the next video.